We had a fantastic year last year. You all know that we started with just Bangalore and Hyderabad and Patna, of course, and from there we scaled it up to 10 cities. So the experience had been very good. This year we are looking at around 25 cities to be scaled up. Basically, we are targeting at the capitals. It's a huge challenge, you will agree, because 25 cities to manage is not going to be an easy task. And therefore, I have a few ideas which we need to implement. Like for example, National Fest we may not be able to have at that level of 25 teams here because it will take almost 2 days. So, we may be planning, depending upon the number of cities, the zonal competition. There are 3-4 zones, and then out of zones the best 4-5 teams come here. And then there has always been a request that 10 to 15 minutes for presentation is not enough, do justice. So, therefore, it is better to have 4-5 teams and give them half an hour or 40 minutes to give a good presentation, so that the judges also get time to ask questions and go deep into how much they have done. So, this is what we are looking at, number one. There are challenges when we go to more number of cities, because a few number of cities, 1 or 2, I would say the control of the program is much better. Why I say this is, if you have 25 cities and you have got a facilitator and each place, the challenge is the quality of the program that should not suffer. How do I ensure the quality of the program in all the cities? How do I ensure the standardization of the program in all these cities, 24, 25 cities? Yes, we have a book, but then each city at that level, I do not know whether exactly what is supposed to be taught is being taught or not taught. We do not know. You see, I am just saying from the point of sitting here as in the headquarters, we do not know. So, the greatest challenge this year would be, how do I ensure the quality of the program at all? That is extremely important to me. Towards that, we are going to have a quality manager for this program, and the person's job will be to ensure the quality of the program all over. It includes curriculum itself. Like for example, last year we did get some feedback that the language in this book is little tedious or little difficult for children to understand. It may make sense at a little higher level, but child when it reads that book, it may not be able to understand. So, this is one important input we have. So, therefore, we need to have a manager or a quality manager who will look at these aspects. Impact of this program, how has it worked, has it affected the children, has it made a difference? It will be a continuous task, which we do that. Towards the quality of the program, we did introduce last year something like every week having a con call. Some of you might have felt that why this con call is required every week on week. The aim was that about 7-8 instructors or the facilitators, when they are on con call, what went wrong during the last week, what could have gone better, we can discuss, so that it exchanges, sort of an exchange, each facilitator says, no, this problem I had, but I did it like this. So, it becomes a sort of a forum where you can each learns in the matter of 45 minutes, 1 hour. And also we introduce that the facilitator here will get connected to the point of contact and the principal once in 2 months at least, to show that everything is going on okay. But this year we are doing something additional, scouting for a quality manager, number one. And secondly, all these modules or all these lessons which we have, I also intend to make films out of this. This is the standard program which is being taught everywhere. Make a good film which is a guy or this thing, introduce lots and lots of pictures so that children understand just by looking at pictures. And after that, the facilitator runs this film for about 20 minutes, then the facilitator takes on further in that class. So, whatever is required to be taught, rather as a standardization, that is done, but particular to the city, role plays, role models, rather all these things can be done by the facilitators to ensure that whatever has been learnt in that is further cemented into the children's minds. This is one idea we have, and then we are working toward that. Of course, we will try it out here first in Bangalore, which is our laboratory of 100 schools, and if it works well, we find that the difference in the pre-survey and post-survey is more in these children, where we do this sort of a training or sort of a program. Then we will try to possibly scale up everywhere. This is what we have an agenda this year, which we need to look at. I request your feedback, very valuable feedback on this, and how we can improve, what can be done to improve, because you are the people on the ground and your inputs are very, very important to me. How we can improve the program further. So, that feedback to us is extremely important. So, question might be asked, you may be having some of you, do we keep on doing this forever, right? Today we are in 25 cities, 50 cities, 100 cities, do we stop or what do we do? So, therefore, the vision of Janagraha would be to ensure that this becomes a part of the state CBSE and ICSE syllabus itself. We only will do the audit of the programs in all the cities and schools. That is the ultimate. It may happen after 10 years, it may happen after 15 years, I do not know about it. But these are all the steps towards reaching that, and we are doing it in 3 ways. One is the Janagraha administered schools themselves, that is in Bangalore. In Bangalore, we are going to 200 schools now from 175 schools. Out of that, 100 schools are within us, that is Janagraha directly administers, and the balance of 100 schools, we have a partnership, or we have got, we work with EduMedia is another organization who are going to run these 100 schools. And this is, one is the partnership model with EduMedia. Third is we run directly with our facilitators in different cities. These are the 3 models which we do have, and all the 3 models are open, and we would like to continue with this type of model.